feel I'm the worst person to teach you coding since I have had nothing but problems all day with this, but maybe that's how you learn. So just how to install Simpeg. Sorry, I did just type in Google Simpeg, and I clicked on this first one that came up, Simpeg XYZ. I think one reason why I've avoided Simpeg in the past is there's often a lot of websites I get so confused which to go to. So I've gone to this one here. Thankfully, one of the other websites at the top says it's out of date. I scroll down here and I clicked on Install Simpeg. I went down here and it said they recommended using Miniforge instead of Anaconda. So did I click on it? No, I didn't click on it to get to that point. I scrolled down and oh, sorry, I did click on it. Sorry. So if you click on Miniforge up here, it takes you to the Miniforge GitHub page where you can download Miniforge. So you scroll down here, wait for it, and you get to Windows and you click on Windows Installer. And it'll start to download the Miniforge installer. I've installed it already and I deleted the video by accident of me installing it, so you won't be able to see me clicking on buttons. But I mean, it's pretty basic. I just kept the defaults. I mean, you click on it. If you get this window, you just click more information and click run anywhere. And then you just click next, and it will install Miniforge. I'm going to quit because I've got it already. Okay, and I've pinned my Miniforge over here. Let me just, sorry, close it open again. So you can see it says Miniforge prompt. So it's not a normal terminal. So you can see here, if I type in terminal, up comes command prompt, and this is the normal command prompt. So you would actually have to go here and type in Miniforge and prompt and click on it. And so that's why I've pinned it to my taskbar here so that I don't have to keep remembering the name because I'm terrible with names. Okay, and so this is the Miniforge prompt over here. So Miniforge is like Anaconda. It's, I think, a bit of a lighter version. I'm just trying to look here. I'm busy uninstalling my Anaconda because there's some clashes. So yeah, it's lighter, but it's not as beautiful. Like Anaconda, there's all the different, what's it called? Like, I don't know. I never know the right names for these things, but like you can see Spider and Jupyter Notebook, and you can click on the pretty pictures, which I think non-coders like. It feels less daunting. So Miniforge is not like that. So that's why I think I've had a fun day trying to figure it out. So yeah, next thing is to install. Sorry, those are some of my everythings I've been looking at. Oh, okay. So this was where we installed Miniforge. So I'm just going to go back. So I'm going back to the Simpeg page. So we installed Miniforge, and now we're going to go here to install Simpeg. And so they give you 3 different ways to install. You can either install it using CondaForge, PyP, or from the source. And so I never understand what these things are. That's why we go to ChatGPT here. And I don't think I want to lose that. ChatGPT. What are CondaForge and PyP? Are both platforms for distributing software packages, especially in Python, but they serve different ecosystems and different tools. So they are platforms that you can use within. What did we even use? Within Miniforge or within Anaconda. So I don't have that vocab down at all. Okay, so we're going back here, and so it says how to install it, and it's very easy. You're literally going to highlight this and copy it. And so Conda was the base environment. I think I Googled it. You're installing. I don't understand. The nice thing is, well, you can copy this and ask ChatGPT, if you can get things to move out the way. What does this code mean? And it breaks it down for you. It says Conda, the first word, calls the Conda package manager, installs. This specifies where to get the packages from. So CondaForge is a repository. And then yeah, Simpeg is the package. So that's what the code means. And so you are going to go into Miniforge and you are going to paste it there and you're going to click enter. And at several points you might get a prompt as to whether to overwrite stuff or update stuff if you've had previous versions. If you have had previous versions, I worry there might be clashes, but not clashes that it's going to look for Python in the wrong place, and I don't really know how to solve that, so I hope you don't get that query. But anyway, click here and click install, and it will install Simpeg for you. It will take you through the different steps. Again, I've got this already, so I'm not going to run the install. Once that is done, just to check that it's installed properly, you can type in conda list Simpeg. And then you can see it here. It shows you the package, the version, and all of these things, so you know that it is installed properly. And so this is where I started to run into problems, because I then opened up Jupyter Notebook, which is where you run the script, and it wasn't finding Simpeg, which made me think that my Jupyter Notebook wasn't looking in the right place. And so I'll just show you quickly, because if I go, okay. This is what ChatGPT told me. So it suggests that I type where Python. And you can see on my computer at the moment, I now have 2 versions of Python. So this is the Miniforge I've just installed. And I think this one down here possibly could be my Anaconda that is busy uninstalling. And so I think when I was running stuff, it was looking at the Anaconda Python, not the Miniforge. And Miniforge is where my Simpeg is installed. So it wasn't picking it up. And it was saying Simpeg didn't exist. So yeah, I'm busy uninstalling my Anaconda, and then I'm going to try the next step.